Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as respiratory system. Respiratory system deals with various structures such as organs and tissues that work together to ensure that respiration takes place in an organism. These structures play a great role in organisms because if anything goes wrong in any structure that helps in respiration in an organism, that organism will not survive, or that organism will find it difficult to survive in that situation. So we are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. In the first question we have here, the question says, fishes respire by means of dash. A. Gill raker. B. Operculum. C. Gill filament. D. Gill blade. In this question, the correct answer is C. Gill filament. In fishes, there is what we call gill filaments. These gill filaments serve as their respiratory structure. If this structure is removed, respiration will go wrong in fishes. The next question says, another name of a respiratory structure called trachea is dash. A. Water pipe. B. Oil pipe. C. Alveolus. D. Windpipe. In this question, the correct answer is D. Windpipe. So there is a structure called trachea. This trachea helps in respiration, and another name given to this trachea is called windpipe in human beings. The next question says, the respiratory structures in plants are dash. A. Xylem and phloem. B. Stomata and lenticels. C. Collenchymas and xylem. D. Phloem and stomata. In this question, the correct answer is B. Stomata and lenticels. In plants, stomata are tiny openings in the leaves, and lenticels are tiny openings on the stems. These structures help plants to carry out successful respiration. The next question says, the roots of mangrove plants possess dash for taking in atmospheric oxygen. A. Pneumatophores. B. Pneumatoclops. C. Pneumatoroots. D. Rhizoids. In this question, the correct answer is A. Pneumatophores. In mangrove plants, they have structures called pneumatophores, and these pneumatophores are regarded as the breathing roots in these plants. They use these structures to take atmospheric oxygen in order to survive in their environments. The next question says, which of the following respiratory structures is microscopic in size? A. Lung. B. Bronchus. C. Alveolus. D. Trachea. In this question, the correct answer is C. Alveolus. In a human respiratory system, there is a structure called alveolus. This structure is found inside the lung, and studies have shown that this structure called alveolus is so tiny in such a way that it requires the use of microscope to see it. So this structure is highly microscopic in size. The next question says, which of the following is a respiratory disease in man? A. Bronchitis. B. Meningitis. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Bronchitis. Bronchitis means inflammation of a respiratory structure called bronchus. So when this bronchus swells, the job that it is doing will be affected negatively. When the bronchus swells, it will not function well in an organism. The next question says, which Which of the following organisms respires through diffusion across its cell membrane? A. Amoeba. B. Rats. C. Dog. D. Lizard. In this question, the correct answer is A. Amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism that respires through diffusion across its cell membrane. The next question says, the use of moist skin for respiration by an organism is best described as dash. A. Lipid respiration. B. Cutaneous respiration. C. Buccal respiration. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration is a type of respiration whereby an organism uses moist skin to carry out successful respiration. This kind of respiration is observed in soft-bodied animals such as frogs and toads. The next question says, which of the following human respiratory structures conveys air from the trachea to the bronchioles? A. Bronchus. B. Alveolus. C. Lung. D. Pharynx. In this question, the correct answer is A. Bronchus. Bronchus is a structure that plays a great role in respiration because it allows air to move from the trachea to the bronchiole. And if this bronchus is not working, there will be a problem in the movements of air from trachea to bronchioles. The next question says, the respiratory structure where gaseous exchange takes place is called dash. A. Alveolus. B. Bronchus. C. Trachea. D. Bronchiole. In this question, the correct answer is A. Alveolus. We have said that this alveolus is a respiratory structure that is microscopic in size, and this structure is found inside the lung. So this alveolus is the site of gaseous exchange in the lung. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our videos where we treat different topics in biology.